given this assignment, the Lord is saying to us this morning that as we stand here and celebrate historically this event, that at this event, He wants to give us a human encounter, one which empowers us, the empowerment that we need for this time is the power of the Holy Ghost. We cannot do this without the help of God. And so God is saying to us, for some of you in here that make the right decision, you will not ever forget the 100th event, because it was during that convention that God saved your life. It is during that convention that God healed your body. It is during that convention that God delivered you. Because God is saying there are some situations that have the potential to kill you. But He said to tell you, it may have the potential, but it does not have the power. We have the power through the power